We invite those lucky in love couples to join us for our first annual Nature Coast Wedding Expo and Fashion Show, where you will have the chance to win $1,000 cash. This event will be held at the beautiful Welcome Home Center, located off of US Highway 19 in Spring Hill. We'll have lots of vendors, prizes, raffles, and a one-of-a-kind fashion show. The event takes place on May 18th from noon to 4 p.m. and space is limited. Get your tickets in advance for only $10 per couple, and if we have space, $20 at the door. This event is sponsored by Shelley's Catering, Dove Dream Developer, Welcome Home, Vivify, Vicare, Peak Performance Coaching, Cruise Planners, and Family Chiropractic Center for Wellness. Our fashion show will be sponsored by Maureen's Bridal. You can visit naturecoastweddingexpo.net to register or become a vendor.